Hi my peeps, what's up wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiona in the house. Please remember to leave me just a little bit of like and subscribe for other amazing content coming your way. Alright guys, and now welcome back to the healthier side of things, and we're gonna make Irish Marsh green smoothie. Oh, or you can say Irish Marsh spinach smoothie. And we're gonna use some spinach, half an apple, one banana, and some Irish Marsh with Bladderwrack, and I will leave a link for this one. And then I'm gonna use a little bit of this instant ginger to give me a little bit of nice flavor, a little bit of ice and some almond milk. All right, so easy. I'm gonna start off with my Irish Marsh, like a big old tablespoon, and I'm gonna put my apple, and I'm gonna put the banana. You can use half of banana if you want. Then I'm gonna add the spinach. Wait, let me put the ginger first. A little bit, about half teaspoon, optional. Then I'm gonna put some spinach. Just gonna squeeze it in it. I don't think I want to use all of it. I think that will do. Squeeze it down. Add my crushed ice on top, and I'm gonna put about a cup of almond milk. And that's it. You can add some honey, but the banana is sweet enough, so that's it. Alright my peeps, look at that. Super healthy. With the ginger flavor in it. Oh my goodness. Alright, and we're just gonna pour some in my glass. I'm gonna put a little bit of spinach, just a little leaf. Yeah, better stay. Alright guys, that's it. That's my green smoothie for you. Alright guys, it look like it a fall down, but stay one place. Love upon me and I love upon you. Look at that goodness guys. I'm gonna dive in it. Oh my goodness. If you want to clean and build your immune system, good for weight loss guys, this is what I'm gonna drink to help me with my weight loss journey. I'm gonna drink this glass now, and I might give my son that, or you can put it up till later. Lots of antioxidants, lots of vitamins, lots of potassium from the banana. Ginger, good to clean and build your immune system, as well as the Irish Marsh and Bladderwrack. Super healthy guys. This is a super food. Yeah. And you know, the spinach and green is good for your health. Alright guys, too much talking. Love upon me and I love upon you.